Turn trash into treasure. Is the Miracle-Gro Compost Tumbler your garden's secret weapon? Tired of tossing valuable kitchen scraps? Want to create nutrient-rich compost for your garden with minimal effort? Let's explore the Miracle-Gro Large Dual-Chamber Compost Tumbler and see if it lives up to the hype. The Miracle-Gro Composter features a dual-chamber system. This allows for continuous composting. You can add fresh materials to one side while the other side cures. This ensures a steady supply of black gold for your plants. With 2 chambers, you'll never be without compost. This is a game changer for serious gardeners. It provides a constant flow of nutrient-rich fertilizer. Your garden will thank you with vibrant blooms and bountiful harvests. Each chamber boasts a 27.7-gallon capacity, totaling 55.4 gallons. This is perfect for processing large amounts of organic waste. It's ideal for gardeners with ample kitchen scraps and yard waste. This high-volume capacity means fewer trips to the landfill. You'll be turning waste into a valuable resource. Plus, you'll be reducing your environmental footprint. Forget the back-breaking work of turning compost piles by hand. The Miracle-Gro Tumbler features an easy-to-rotate design. A few spins every few days is all it takes. This ensures proper aeration and speeds up decomposition. You can expect rich, fertile compost in just 4 to 6 weeks. It's a simple and efficient way to create compost. Crafted with BPA-free UV-protected plastic, this composter is built to withstand the elements. The galvanized steel base provides stability. Tight seals keep out unwanted pests. This all-season design ensures faster, more efficient composting year-round. You can rely on its durability for years to come. It's a worthwhile investment for any gardener. The Miracle-Gro Large Dual-Chamber Compost Tumbler is available on Amazon. Check out the product page for more details. You can also read customer reviews. One user praised its durability and customer service. Another appreciated its ease of setup. However, some reviewers noted concerns about the flimsy plastic clips. The Miracle-Gro Large Dual-Chamber Compost Tumbler offers a convenient and efficient way to create high-quality compost. While some assembly concerns exist, the dual-chamber design, large capacity, and effortless tumbling make it a compelling option. Ready to turn your kitchen scraps into garden gold? Click the link in the description to check the current price and availability of the Miracle-Gro Compost Tumbler on Amazon. Start composting smarter today.